Correct. Namaste students, I am going to teach you the chapter relation. For this very chapter relation, we must have the elementary ideas of set theory. Let us discuss about the terms of the set theory. First subset. Student, if A and B are two sets, every element of A is the element of B. Then we can say that A subset to B or A subset to B. What is the difference between this and this? Since we suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we observe that 1 belongs to A whereas 1 belongs to B. 2 belongs to A whereas 2 belongs to B. 3 belongs to A whereas 3 belongs to B. That is every element of A is present in the element of B. That is A subset to B. Here one element in B, that is 4, which is not present in A. So we can say that A is the proper subset of B and B is the superset of A. Suppose A and B are two sets. Every element of A is the element of B, but at least one element in B which is not in A. Then we can say that A is the proper subset of B and B is the superset of A. Superset of A. And if we take A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, 1, 3, then we can say that A subset to B. This is the subset. And next topic, Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. Suppose A and B are two sets. Then Cartesian product of sets represented by this sign is also a set whose each element is in order pair. That is AB is such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. We take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A Cartesian B is also a set. Then 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we take 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. So A cross B means 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. And this is your A cross B, that is A Cartesian B. And number of A Cartesian B, this much number of A cross number of B. We observe that how many elements are there in A? There are 3 elements, that is 3 into 4. This must 12 elements. And in the same way B cross A is equal to 4 into 3, that is 12. Next term, relation. Relation is the subset of A Cartesian B. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2. Then A cross B, this much 1, 2, 3 cross 1, 2. It means 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 2. Since Cartesian product of two sets is also a set, therefore we keep all the elements within the curly braces bracket. Next, कि total number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 raised to power number of A cross B. This much 2 number of A into number of B. This much 2 number of A means 3 and number of B means 2. It means 2 raised to power 6, that is 64. It means we observe that 64 such relations can be formed taking A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2. Nice बच्चे, any problem? Tell me. Next topic. Suppose R is equal to, since we know that relation is the subset of A Cartesian B, it means we take suppose 1, 2, 1, 2 and this relation, suppose. It means first entry is less than second entry. It means this is the relation कि A is less than B. This is the relation. It means relation will be the such order pair which is or which R can taken from A cross B, because R is the subset of A cross B. Next topic. Suppose we take other relation 1, 1, 2, 2. Suppose we take, it means 1, 1, 2, 2. We take such order pairs in which both the entries are the same. That is 1, 1 same, 2, 2 same. This is also a relation, because this 1, 1 and 2, 2 also belongs to A cross B. That is, we take from A cross B. So we can say R is the required relation. Next topic, types of relation. Types of relation. Types of relation. Types of relation. Type of relations. First, empty or void or null relation. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relation is the AB such that A minus B is equal to 12, where AB belongs to A. Every AB is belongs to A. So A minus B 12, we take A and B as the elements of A, any elements of A. Suppose 4, 5 we take. 4 as A, 5 as B. So 4 minus 5 cannot be equal to 12. Any element. 3 minus 2 cannot be equal to 12. 5 minus 1 cannot be equal to 12. It means any two elements as A and B from A can be taken and their difference cannot be 12. So R is equal to 5. It means no order pair can be found. We cannot find any order pair as A minus B is equal to 12. So this is the called where R is an empty relation. Empty relation. Next topic, universal relation. Universal relation. Universal relation means suppose A cross B 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to, suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3. It means 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 3, 2. Here we observe that if we take A cross A is equal to R, it means all the entries, all the order pairs, if we suppose as relation, then we can write down A cross A is equal to R, because A cross A subset to A cross A, because every set is the subset of itself. So A cross A is also a set. Clearly this is also a set, so this is also subset to itself. Therefore this is a subset. Therefore A cross A is called universal relation. And it can be understood that if we take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and relation is such that AB belongs to R is such that A minus B greater than 0. We take A is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to B is equal to 2. So minus 1, modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore 1 also greater than 0. Any two elements as A and B from A if we take, then their modulus of their difference must be greater than 0. So we can say that this is also an universal relation. Therefore R is equal to universal relation. Next topic, an identity relation. Identity relation. Identity relation. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3. If we take A cross A, this means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, Now we hope that you are very familiar to making a Cartesian B. So A cross A is equal to 1, 2, 3, this, that. And identity relation IA is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. It means we take such order pairs which are both the entries are the same, that is doublet. Suppose in the set A 1, 2, 3, therefore 1, 1 here, 2, 2 here, 3, 3. Doublets of the elements of A can be taken here, and this is identity relation. But if we take 1, 1, 2, 2, this is not an identity relation, because doublet of all the elements we take here, 1 to 1, 1, 2 to 2, 2, 3 to 3, 3. This is called an identity relation. And here empty relation and universal relation are sometimes called trivial relation. And here empty relation this is called smallest relation. And universal relation, this is called largest relation. A student, in the next class we will discuss about the special type of relations. Thank you, बच्चे.